My name is Kevin Simmons. I work here at the Fairfax Detox Center. I'm a behavioral health specialist, and this is the Fairfax County CSB.
Hi, my name is Chris Sawyer. I'm a behavioral health specialist 1 here at Fairfax County Detox. That's under the Fairfax County Community Services Board.
Some of my day-to-day responsibilities here at Fairfax Detox, we do phone screens, we schedule admissions for clients to come in who are detoxing off of substances. We work with connecting them with community resources, residential treatment, the addiction medicine clinic. We provide groups daily, ranging from discharge planning, sometimes motivational interviewing, sometimes stages of change. There's also NA groups, AA groups, and we also provide acupuncture.
Some of my day-to-day responsibilities here at Fairfax Detox, I work on the clinical side of things. So generally speaking, in this residential community, I help our clients with their day-to-day activities. They go to several groups throughout the day, and also I help them coordinate to care after detox if they're going to long-term residential treatment, outpatient services, what have you. And then we also have our routine administrative tasks like admissions and discharges and that kind of thing. I would say the most meaningful part of my job is working with clients who come here to detox. And generally speaking, they're experiencing a lot of challenges that have brought them to this place in their lives. And I think that being able to work with those individuals to overcome those challenges is extremely rewarding.
A few of my favorite stories at this job, it mainly comes down to when a client will give us a call back after they discharge to let us know how they're doing, letting us know where they are in their stage and their progress in sobriety, and just giving thanks to us to help them out in their journey.
So a favorite story during my time here at Detox, I wouldn't say I'd pinpoint one, but I would say that working with clients who have had frankly difficult lives sometimes, and they have a lot of hurdles to overcome. Sometimes they're not the best at interacting with other people, but being able to build rapport with those clients and help them overcome those challenges is that would kind of typify my favorite experiences here at Detox. The most challenging part of my job is going to be tied in with the most rewarding part. Working with clients who have experienced a lot of difficulties in their lives and find it hard to build trust with service providers. That can be challenging to overcome those barriers, but once you do, it's extremely rewarding to build those relationships and help the clients.
The biggest attribute a person should have coming here, I would say, is having patience. And because you're working with a large demographic of people that come from different backgrounds, different ages, and everybody, they're at different stages in change and wanting to make change for themselves.